Hi everyone, I'm Lulu Picard.
I'm Alison Burns.
And we are about to unbox the box of style for summer 2020. Now, everyone, it is literally summer 2020 right now.
That's right.
So we just want to point out that we have a little partition here. Yep, so we're super safe.
Super safe.
So safe. A little nervous. Okay, however, we wanted to show you the amazing stuff that just came in the box of style box.
Yeah.
It's probably a better way to put that.
A box of style box.
There's a box of stuff that are stylish, and we call that the box of style box.
Yeah.
Okay, Allison's gonna go first.
All right, so we have taken everything out of the box, but we haven't looked through it yet, so here we go. I have this, which I'm not quite sure what it is yet, but here we go. It's soft, I can tell you that.
It's pretty.
Ooh. Oh, this is beautiful.
Oh, I love it.
It's like a what do you call these?
A shawl?
A shawl?
A pashmina?
Sarong?
A throw?
You know what I think you can do? I think it's like over the bathing suit,
There it is.
right? Like that sort of thing.
Yeah.
Maybe?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Love
Guys,
it.
this is really beautiful. The colors are beautiful. Super cute, super chic.
Is it soft?
It's so
Oh,
soft.
I love it.
I wish you could feel it. Can you feel it?
I can feel it.
Feel the essence of it.
There it is.
So soft.
I enjoy that.
She's gonna keep rubbing this on me because that way
means I can't.
she can't
touch
take it.
Okay, item number 2 from the summer 2020 box of style is this situation. It is Grown Alchemist Biological Beauty Hydra-Repair Day Cream, and then it says Camellia Geranium Blossom.
Ooh.
Which sounds very cool.
Ooh.
You know that this is fancy because they don't even have a logo. It's like, ooh, what's that crazy? Is that generic cream? And you're like, oh, no, it's just so fancy. They don't have a logo. Here, I'm gonna put a little here
Okay.
in this little gap,
Okay.
and then you can just take that.
Ooh.
And this is for your face.
Oh. Dang it.
It's a nourishing, non-greasy facial moisturizer. They spell it with an S. That noticeably improves skin hydration levels without leaving residual oil or shine. It has velvety viscosity.
They're right.
Are you like literally just putting it on your face?
Yeah.
How's your face?
It's so nice and alchemist.
Grown Alchemist.
Yeah.
Does it feel hydro-repaired?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, well then there you go.
It's like cooling.
What?
It's like cooling.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, it's like fresh, cool. It's like a cool mist on my face.
Do you feel like that on your hand too?
Yeah. Maybe it hits Filipino skin differently.
There could be that. There could be that. I have profound understanding of the Filipino biology, and we don't get that cool mist feeling. That's why I'm always hot.
Okay, this is a Color and Light Cream Blush and Highlighter.
Ooh.
Ooh, it's Cosas.
Cosas.
Ooh. That's pretty. Using the fingertips, apply color to apples of cheeks or cheekbones and blend.
Using your fingertips?
Mm-hmm. Sweep highlighter wherever glow is desired. Okay, so...
Pause!
Oh, it's definitely...
Judah.
Oh, so you can use it too?
Well, no, so that you don't put your dirty fingers in your cosmetics.
Oh, well, I was just gonna...
Mm-mm.
You don't want to use it too?
You don't put your fingers in your cosmetics.
Nice, huh? Guys, I like this. Cosas.
Everything's ending up on her side. Okay, my turn. It's this.
Whoa!
This came in the box of style box, and it's like just screaming. Oh, I'm sorry. You wanted to go have a weekend away at your vacation home on the beach in Cape Cod? I've got my stuff. Go bag.
Yes. Yes.
Go bag. Always be ready, everyone. You don't
weekender.
know when you're not going to be swept away.
Yeah.
You don't want to be caught.
Yeah.
Not ready.
Right?
You better double that toiletry kit, put it into your go bag, have it ready to go all the time.
Yeah.
Oh, did I say toiletry kit? It's already here.
Whoa.
In the bag.
That's awesome.
So this is canvas and vegan leather, I think, which I think we called pleather when I was growing up. And it's from the brand HENNY and Lev.
Yes.
And of course it has the nice bag, so you can use it over your shoulder if you want.
Crossbody?
Crossbody. And it is just ready to go. I feel
love
like
it.
this goes with everything. It'll never go out of style.
Yeah.
You can use it with whatever color stuff. You can use this with your all fancy, all black outfit.
Yes.
Everyone, it'll still go. I promise.
All right, last but not least, we have some earrings. Look how cute these are.
I love those
Ooh.
earrings.
Oh, they're upside down.
Oh, you already have some on. Did you want me to try this on? Yeah.
I've already touched them.
Put them right here.
They're from Panacea.
Go ahead. I'll sanitize them. I'm ready.
They're lead compliant.
Just hand them over. Alrighty.
I do have, you don't have earrings on?
No.
All right. Oh, those are so
Yes?
cute. You look like Christmas. Just because you're wearing red. But those would go with, like, beachy.
Oh, I want to go to the beach with my earrings.
Yeah.
Oh, did you say you want to go on a weekend in your house in Cape Cod? Because I am like so ready to go.
So ready. I actually really love those. Shake it, shake it. Yeah, and they kind of like, if you are really listening, guys, you can kind of hear and go.
Yeah, so just in case you're hanging out with like a reggae band, you can add to the percussion. You're like, Kokomo, they'll get there faster if you take it slow. You add that other one in. That's where we wanna go.
Way down to Kokomo.
We've solved everything for you, I feel, with this summer 2020 box of style. As you can tell, we're really excited about this stuff. We will fight over all of this after we turn off the camera, but tune into our channel for more unboxings and also our imaginary luxury travel episodes, which you can find right here in the 10K feed. Feel like subscribing? It's like over there. Ish. No, it's down there.
I think it's here.
Yeah, it's down there. It's down there. And if you have any comments or anything, you can always reach us at 10kdollarday@gmail.com. Again, I'm Lulu Picard.
I'm Alison Burns.
We'll catch you later.